25? No, it's not 25. See, it's not 25. It's 27.
27.
What's your name? What's your ID number? So this is
It's 27. طيب, fact number 2 is 27. يبقى 60 minutes, 27. Fact number 3, answering rate for each questions. How many minutes? Maybe. See, 2 minutes, 13 seconds. يبقى now it's a fact. Why? Why, guys? I'm telling you all these facts. Because you have to know and get all about experience and knowledge about the type of exam I'm going to attempt. Why? Because this one is here. If you are going to have questions, need 2 minutes, 13 seconds to answer it. What a type of a problem and the questions I'm going to have. Correct or not? صح? Is that much easy? Is that much difficult? Average? Moderate? You can say صح ولا لا? Correct? يبقى now it's 27 number problems and the questions, 2 minutes 13 seconds, 1 hour exam. حلو? Each questions or problem have 4 options. If you are not studying, and you are not civil engineer and attempt this exam, what is the most likely your score? See, 10 over 10. How? Based on what? What is the most? You are not civil engineer, guys. دعواتك. I will tell you. I will tell you a lot of facts. Just wait. Don't worry. You are here. You need 30 minutes, 30 hours only. You need 30 hours to pass the exam. You are here. Fact number what? I am telling you facts. طيب. What is the most likely your score? We'll come back to this. What is the most likely your score if you are not civil engineer and you are not studying and your exam tomorrow? What is the most likely your score? From the fact, this is now we need to prepare ourselves. Now, from this lecture, we need to prepare ourselves. I remember you attend many classes, but you forgot. Anyway, it's 6.75. 6.75. How? If there is 4 options, to every questions and problem. صح؟ يبقى now if you get the most probability كده, the probability to get the answer for each questions and problem is 25%. يبقى 25% multiply 27, 6.75. يعني قول 7. قول 7. Correct? Imagine كده you are not civil engineer and you get what? 7. طب what is your score? What is your score for the exam? Did you know? What is your score? You are going for an exam, you don't know anything about it. All of you. يا خراب أبيض. That's why you are here. I am appreciated. Come here. No worries. What is your score? Should be what? What your score? Should be what? I will kill you because you are here. 14 over 27. 14 over 27. يعني 51%. 40. Our exam is 27. We have to get 40 correct. I'm joking with you. I'm joking. 20. We need get 14. 14. We need to get what? We need to get 14 correct answers from 27. Your score is 51%. يبقى 7 by your own. So what Green International will give it to you? By your own كده يلا. I am not civil engineer. طيب يلا. And What about the 7, the other 7? If we have structure analysis, fact number, how many facts now? A lot of facts, see? A lot of facts. If we have 3 to 5 problem structure analysis, 3 to 5 in our exam, we are going to have structure analysis problems. Okay? Average for construction management and general, we are going to have 9 to 11. 9 to 11. Average 10. يبقى how many now? 14. صح؟ طيب, the first classes, the 4 classes, coming 4 classes, we are going to have what? Structure analysis. We'll start from scratch. We'll forget about the slides. We'll come by exercise and we'll solve. Shear force diagram, maximum moment section, so and so and so and so. Don't worry, you are going to be perfect. You are going to have a structure engineer. Planning engineer. You are going to be planning engineer. Don't worry. You are going to have what? You are going to have 14. 4 classes, 6 hours structure analysis, 6 hours construction management. You are going to have this 14 in your pocket. You are going to have what? This 14 in your pocket. طيب, يبقى now we pass the exams then. If we have 14, we have 7, we have 14. What else you need? What else you need? يبقى now we will start Tuesday structure analysis 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock. One class كده. Hey, tuck, 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 tuck. You are coming after after this class, structure engineer. You will see. Okay, time. After that, we are going to have what? We are going to have soil mechanics. Soil mechanics 2 to 3. 2 to 3. I'm going to give you 2. يبقى 2 plus 14, 16. See? After that, we are going to have fluid and survey. وبعدين traffic and road. وبعدين concrete. وبعدين general. In the end, you are going to have material. You are going to have a lot of questions and problems in your pocket. From it, you are going to have 12 to 18 facts. I'm telling you facts, huh? And you copy paste. These questions and the problem is copy paste. Fact, huh? Then you are going to have average from 12 to 18. Sorry. لا إما 12 لا إما 18. Average what? Average 15. طب 15 without you are not civil engineer. And you are going to have this 15. You are going to pass the exam or not? Absolutely yes. This is what? This is our game. In our Green International, this is a game. طيب, what are you doing now? What are you doing now? يخرب بيت عقلكم. What are you doing? Sitting, listening. We are practicing our plan to get our objective done. We are practicing our plan to get our objective done. Yes, because without plan, you will not pass the exam. طيب, how you are going to build your mindset up plan later through the 30 hours course. We are going to, in the end, bas, I catch it. You are going for plan C. Don't worry, you will like it so much. I remember, you will see, and I will beat you. Okay, 100 ريال to 100 ريال. لا, that's because B is too much effort. C is very easy, and the 90% from the classroom and the 90% from the engineers, you go for plan C. We'll go. طيب. how you are going to monitor your objective, monitor and control. Because everyone in this classroom may be already ready for the exam, maybe, or maybe under document preparation, or maybe already have application. I don't know, but everyone have his own circumstances and conditions. Means ready for an exam, submit his documents, preparing the document. Anyway, correct or not, you have a start date for each of you here have a start date. Once you decide to go for this exam, you have what? Start date. Once you are going to finish, it's finish date. What? Your attempt class exam. Then you are going to have the exam done from the first attempt. Correct? How you are going to monitor it? This objective. Yes, we are going to know. Through 30 hours from now, you are going to know about your exam. Okay? We still what? We still not started anything. Let's start. Let's start. يبقى now we have why, what, and how. All of us now, eh? How not yet. How not yet. I don't tell you how to monitor and control, but I told you what you are doing here and why you are here, correct? And we have what? Facts. Huh? Let us go again. Still, there are 5 number questions we need to answer them. Whatever here, all about myself, I will leave it for, I will share the class, the slides tomorrow, and you can. Let us go for our journey, Mr. Yasser. Let us start. What is UPDA stand for? Urban planning and authority approvals. Okay. طيب. Number 2. We'll come back to every one of them. Number 2. What is UPDA stand for? What is UPDA for? وبعدين, why is there is UPDA? Because there is stupid things. Anyway. No, nothing. Nothing. No permits, no paper. It's an engineer. It's an engineer. Let me come and get her certificate. خلاص, give her certificate. Bring her here.
She did like value engineering.
See?
Amazing method.
We'll come back to value engineering. Okay. What is the strategy to be UPDA certified? This is what we have to know now. Then we'll go for some exercise and the questions and the problems come to our exam. Then we'll see what type of exam we have. Then emotionally كده, you prepared yourself for next class. Okay? Let us go for number 1. UPDA stand for what? Stand for urban planning and طيب حلو قوي. Why urban planning? Qatar is developing country or not? Still developing country. Yes, they have a lot. They have a lot to do. Correct or not? طيب Qatar have vision. To achieve this vision, what you have to do? What you have to have? لا. You have to have plan. Vision without plan it's just a dream. صح ولا لا? There is vision and there is plan. طيب, where we are as engineers بقى, I'm not talking about civil, I'm talking about mechanical, chemical, electrical engineers. We are in the vision, we are in the plan. حلوة. We are in the center, ولا we are in the vision, or we are in the plan. We are in the plan. Why? Who execute? Who is designing Who is supervision? All of us 3 engineers, 1 design, 1 execute, 1 supervision. So we are in the plan.
PM, he will select all.
Yes, BMB.
He will select, no, the project manager, he will select all.
Absolutely.
Will be under selection.
Absolutely. طيب يبقى now we are in the plan. طيب حلو قوي. We need to make sure that we are civil engineers. By what? Because we are multinational from countries working together in one country, Indian, Egyptian, blah, 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 blah. In the end, we need to make sure, so when our exam, that you are civil engineer or mechanical engineer or whatever. It's very simple. Don't take it too much. Why? Did you think that in 30 hours we are going to study civil engineering? No way. And now we have what? We have method. We have method. And you should be what? Built your mindset about these methods. A lot of methods. And I give you some facts from a while ago. Go to your home and write it down. And through the classes 30 hours, you are going to have a lot of materials, a lot of problems and questions. So then you are going to prepare yourself emotionally. If the 30-hour finish, I wish my exam is second day. I wish. Why? Because you already prepared. Okay? Let us go for, as I said, it's urban planning is whatever here, and vision بقى وايه وبلان والكلام ده. We already a vision without a plan is just a dream. يبقى we know now what is this UPDA stand for. Then let us go back for what is a very important questions, and we need to answer it. What is UPDA? Is that to determine if he or she have the competency to work in Qatar as an engineer, and have what? Please choose the correct answer. Choose.
Engineer compulsory, not their experience. Engineering knowledge and engineering.
All of the above. طب all of the above, hand up. All of the above, hands up. Wrong. Come down. Why wrong? Let us have this technique together. Let us have this technique together. Let us use our engineering sense. Number 1, another fact, every question in our exam have 4 options. 2 of this option is not related to subject. And another 2 option is very near. طيب, our exam, UPDA, is to soft skills. بقول above including soft skills, يعني some of us very good in negotiations مثلا, marketing مثلا, or procurement, or planning, have a very nice, or communication. He's very, very, very skilled in communication. What type of question he will examine me in? Or yes, يبقى soft skills. Soft skills is not, it's not a correct answer sensely كده, by sense, just sense. No way to have soft skills. It's correct or not? Tab number 2, your experience. If you already, how many years you are graduated from your college? 2018? 7 years. And you? 5 years. And you? It seems like 15 years. Something like that. Time. 15, 20, 25, 7. All of you have 27, which 27, which 27. Number 1 is number 10, is number 20. What's then the experience now? What I mean, the same questions, but say different order, different a number. You understand what I mean? So what is the experience? Then If you need to be ranking A, what you have to do? Attest what? Attest your certificate. Nothing to do what? Nothing to do with what? Your exam. Correct or not? If you have 10 years attested, you are grade A. If you have more, but you cannot attest it, you are trainee. So nothing to do with what? Nothing to do with your experience. يبقى now experience وsoft skills و6 not. يبقى the good answer is what? Is A. Engineering knowledge and education, but with limit level. Don't think too much. Don't make it too much a drama for yourself. Don't say nightmare كده anxiety for nothing. You understand what I mean? Take it easy. Your exam is very easy, and you are going to pass the exam with following your mindset plan. Your own way, by your own way. You are going to have it in your mind. يبقى now, let us use now engineering sense. We are civil engineer. We will go for civil engineering. Let us enhance what? Our engineering sense. It's not common sense. I'm not talking about common sense. Let us enhance what? Our engineering sense. That's it. We don't need that too much effort. Okay? يبقى now the answer is what? The answer is A. The answer is A. Use your logical thinking, and your engineering sense. Very important in our exam. Let us go كده في a type of another questions. It will not come to our exam, but I need to see how all of you already in the mood now, which I need all of you raise it up to a level. Let us see. Use your logic and your engineering sense to answer these questions. Okay, fact. Fact number 1, humans are mammals. وبعدين some humans are engineers. وبعدين engineer built houses. حلو قوي. If the above statement are facts, okay. Which of the following can be logically inferred? All mammals built houses? ولا engineers are mammals? ولا some humans are not engineers? Take one minute. Don't worry, take 1 minute. Emotionally, Emotionally. We need to prepare ourselves emotionally, Put a line under emotion. Alhamdulillah. You are in the mood, guys. You are in the is correct answer. Yes. The answer is statement number 3. Statement number 3. يعني الانسر is B. See كده? The answer is B. Yes. Now we will start to be in the mood. Now before the exam here, you don't know how many questions. You don't know answer rate. You don't know the score. You don't know the fact about structure analysis. You don't know about construction management in general. How? Once you get all this fact together and put it in the front of you, and we are going to repeat it. After 30 hours, go to your exam. Anyone have already submit application and documents for the exam? You? What's the application number? How many days you submit? Yeah. Yesterday, your exam could be 4 weeks. After 4 weeks. You didn't submit? You will submit when? Up to you. If you can submit now, no issue. Of course. Submit anyone. Don't worry. Yes, don't worry. If anyone ready, if any one of you here have his document ready, don't hesitate and scared. Submit it now. Believe me, submit it now. Don't worry. It's not an exam. This is not an exam. It's just يا عم خلي ولي. You are finish the exam, you will see. You remember me 2 times ago. This is different story, because you are not emotionally prepared. It's already failed twice. No issue. Forget about that. This is first trial. I believe all of you first trial, guys. All of you first trial. Why you scared? Your eyes. Why? What? Don't worry. No issue. You are in a good hand. Don't worry. Don't worry. طيب. Okay, guys. يبقى now the answer is what B. حلو قوي. Why there is UPDA? Because to comply with what Qatar visions. As I told you, Qatar have visions. يبقى now we have to comply with Qatar visions. Which visions بقى? You are in Ashghal. What is the vision?
Well, they have vision. Each company they have vision, but the vision that's matching the government vision.
حلو قوي. أشغال vision. Qatar deserves the best. صح. This is أشغال. Qatar deserves the best. طب through what? Through what? Engineer. The best of the engineer. Who doing the job? Aliens يعني. Aliens كده coming from the moon or from any تحت يلا. Qatar deserves the best. We are engineer, designer, executor, and supervision. We are three of us. We are going to do one project together. So we need the best. Best of what? Best of product. Best of implementation. Best of what? Best of safety. Statistics about safety, quality, assurance. All that's we need. It's mostly كده. Go to our vision. Finish it with minimum loss. Correct? Time, money, but unfortunately it's not happened. Time, money, and human. Save human. Correct? Time. يبقى now number 2, 2030. 2030 vision. Still, we are in 25 and we still far away, by the way. Yes, Qatar after World Cup is already go down, but it's normal. Normal. Or countries like that. All Brazil, Russia. Yeah, yes. License. I believe Philippines, they have license. I believe India, they have license. I believe America, BE or FE. Yes, there is. England, they have. A lot of countries, they have. Egypt, they have. Yes, so we have. Yes. يبقى now this is a way. We are the engineer part of the plan implementation for the vision. طيب يبقى now we need to go for number. What is your competency? 14 over 27. Bas. Thank you very much. Woo. But you are going to add more. Don't worry. You are going to have more. I am just telling you that because I know your feeling. I know you still have doubt. But slow down, Kira. How many is the last one? When it was last? When you forgot the questions? You forgot? Okay. Anyway, forget. يبقى what happened.
The reason of the material I study is wrong. All the question was wrong.
صفت يا معلم. صح. Yes. لا. There is online. There is online material, guys. Don't follow anything from online. We have our website. ولا لا? And we have as well material I'm going to give. Just wait. Don't worry. I'm going to give you very nice injection. After what? After the course happen, I'm going to give you very nice. تعال هنا. You'll be like a horse too. Especially you.
Last time was 37.
37. We are talking about 25. صح? With 25 is 6.7. يعني means already you get 8 or 9. 8 or 9. See? 8 or 9. But anyway, because you get wrong material, you went to wrong direction. That's why. 100%. Absolutely. If you are not studying, much better. Yes, I am telling you. Wallahi, I am telling you. Yes. Okay. I put myself in everyone's shoes of you here, and I feel it because once I went to my exam, this was 2014, and we don't have material, we don't have Green International, we don't have anything, and our boss tell us we need to classify our company, and we grade A, all the engineers eligible for grade A, they have to get their certificate or out from the company. Really, this is what happened. So I wonder, suddenly كده there is a memo, all engineer Yasser, so Yasser and they have to go for the exam. ليه يا عم؟ What happened? وبعدين ياسر بقى looking for what? Looking for material to study. Yasser looking for everything. Nothing. Zero. I don't have anything to study. Yeah, no. I did a technique, and this technique, it was very effective, and I built the material, whatever UPDA, after I get my exam done, 2016. I am started to teach this 2000 in Green International from 2016 until now. I am teaching every 1 month a beautiful people كده I meet, and we have this classes. Okay, so I put myself in the same everyone shoes, but I did the technique, and alhamdulillah I passed the exam. I get how many score? 82%. Very good, without studying. Without studying. I get information from all the engineers. I make myself the last one go to the exam. And every engineer, تعال, what is the questions here? Tell me structure analysis. طب حلو. Construction management. طب حلو. Soil mechanics. طب حلو. Road. طب حلو. I told myself, it's okay. Structure analysis. I am alhamdulillah. Good. Alhamdulillah. طيب construction management. I am good as well. Alhamdulillah. Soil mechanics يعني 50-50. Fail. And the structure analysis, some engineer is nightmare for them for structure analysis. Anyway, I went to my exam. I slept a very nice night. I eat very nice dinner, and I submit my and went to the exam. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick. وخلاص وfinished. I'm already passed the exam. Alhamdulillah. Why? You are emotionally prepare yourself with a plan. You went the root cause of your failure because you went the wrong direction for wrong material. Don't blame yourself. Blame the material, or blame what? The way you already plan for it. Okay? لا. Yes, absolutely. Root cause. Right. Okay, let us come back to our course, our class, sorry. You have what? It's 27. We need to do what? 14. It's 27 number of questions, and we need to get what? We need to get 14. Don't forget. طيب, what is the strategy to be the A? This is now the question now. يبقى now, there is a strategy. There is technique. Everyone will have A, method A, ولا method B, ولا method C. When I told you method C, I know it. Maybe you are going for method B. I feel it. I know it. Later on, we'll go for this method. We'll know about it. Okay, طيب. Let us see. يبقى now, to reach this level, we have to do what? Yasser will do what? Some exercise, some effort, some rule, some responsibility on Yasser, correct or not? Which is coming, I am represent what? Green International, correct? We are going to have 30 hours together, okay? طيب. Yasser will do what? Are Yasser is professor, ولا Yasser is teacher, ولا Yasser is tutor, ولا Yasser is trainer, ولا Yasser instructor, ولا Yasser what? Yasser is coach. I am coaching you. Okay? I have some strengths, some knowledge, I will give it to you. But in the end, I am coaching you. Coaching what? Prepare yourself emotionally to go to the exam from first time. This is my role and responsibility. You're coaching you, how by yourself? to be in the exam what mode. That's why I'm telling you, submit your documents tomorrow. You are going to be in exam mode. All of you tomorrow, anyone have documents ready, submit. Don't hesitate. Okay? Number 2. Yasser as well and Green International. Through emotional intelligence technique, you will let us love what we are doing. Let us enjoy it. Let us have some more knowledge. If you need to be planning, you are going to have very nice areas of planning in our construction management. Okay? You will love it. You will take it as a day, take it in you and build on it. If anyone want to be a structure engineer, after our course, 6 months, get a course, he can be a structure engineer. Imagine? Yes. It's not that much. It's not that much difficult. Number 3, potentially guide you where are your knowledge strengths. Everyone in this room have his own knowledge strengths. Some of us management, some of us structure, some of us road, some of us fluid, some of us soil, whatever. Never different area. Make yourself, where is my strengths? And build on it. Okay? With good material. Guide you how to study what? Bas. There is no hard here. Study smart. How? I will tell you. Don't forget the injection. Huh? This is what? This is Green International. Sorry, Green International. What your بقى? Your strategy. يبقى now I have Yasser have weight and you have your own weight. Correct? Yasser is 25% from your January success. And you have 75%. By your own, 75%. You are going to follow what I'm going to tell you? Yes. Slow down and you will see. يبقى now, enhance your civil engineering sense. Through what? Through our exercise. Here. Coming with what? Coming with pencil. Coming with calculator. Coming with our hard copy. I'm going to share it to you. You are going to print it hard copy. And you will solve. It's not good. It's not bad. It's very good. We'll solve what? Our exam problems, which coming to our exam. So enhance your engineering sense of what? We need 30 hours. After that, you are going to have plan A, plan B, plan C. You will love it. Whatever plan C, you will love it. Plan A, you will love it. Don't worry. You are going to choose the plan. You are mindset kid. I am happy. Without any anxiety, without any fears. Okay? يبقى number 2. Grab this opportunity and feel the art of civil engineering. Sense of what? As I told you from a while ago, if you need to change your career to be structural engineer, why not? A lot of engineers, they are working inside. And you need to be designer. Yes, you can. You can. You can change it. You can totally change it. And project management as well. The project management, if you need to be quality, QAQC, if you need to be planner, if you need to be construction manager with after the exam done, go for BMB. You can have BMB, you can have Primavera scheduling knowledge after the exam. So enhance yourself. Don't stop about MMUP وخلاص. Yeah, take it as opportunity and then what? Go for courses. Believe me, guys, knowledge is very important to us, for us. Really. Don't stop into the bachelor degree and خلاص, finish. No. You will feel this knowledge later. 2000, when? 2014? 15, you are renewed.
Now it's 30, I think 9 or 8, I forget.
لا بينبوك 7 edition. 7 edition. 7, not 7. 7. لا, you can. Yes. Yeah, correct.
There is a most wanted.
Primavera is most wanted now. Is very nice. You can build on it a lot of. Inshallah, you are going to be in the course. Inshallah, focusing in the area which you would what you which never worked. Yani, I am not working. You are working in a field without planning, and take it opportunity and build on it. You need to be QA QC. Why not? You can. You can have this one. You can have as what's your name, please?
Yeah, sorry. My name is
Asman Blake from Jordan, بولند,
from
لبنان, لبنان. عصر.
سني بلاك فاميلي موجودين في mainly في لبنان بس اني اصلا تركي اتراك
أتراك.
اصل تركي.
اوكي.
بلاك
جامعة ايه؟ جامعة اليونايتد ستيت. فين الجامعة دي؟ اوكي. الاسم تاني؟ عثمان. يبقى عثمان. What's your name, please? Rajan. You are civil engineer since 5 years. You are working? What is your designation? Site engineer. See, site engineer. What about you? Ahmed.
I was working with Elegancia as a senior project.
Elegancia is Spanish?
Elegancia.
Elegancia. This UCC? Is this landscape? Landscaping? Yeah. اوكي طيب يبقى عثمان رجا احمد. يبقى ناو عثمان رجا احمد. حلو قوي. ادي اول 3 few minutes مثلا. we'll come back to this later. يبقى now number 4, practice makes what? Perfect. Through what? Through our 30-hour exercise and through our what? We have website. If you need to study, we have how many questions and problems? They are good, huh? They are good. These materials are good. We have 900. If you need to study, study. But Yasser will give you what? Injection, very nice. This injection have what? Consolidated all the questions come to your exam. Okay? خلاص? طيب. Let us go for what بقى? Let us go now for what? It's 27 number questions and only, and you have to what? You can pass it if you get what? 14/27. خلاص كده we agreed. Let us see بقى the type of what? Type of problems and the questions come to our exam. Let us see the type. Maybe you remember, maybe. Who knows? Let us see number 1. You already went to green. Okay, you are here. Let us go for our what? Sorry, I forgot. Let us go for our exam. Let us go for our exam outline and our course outline. Let us start discuss about exam outline and our course as well outline. Okay? Because they are should be what? Matching. That's why when I told you what? Construction management 9 to 11. And we are going to have construction management. And when I told you 7A structure analysis, we have 3 to 5. We have to get it. Civil engineering knowledge and education for any civil construction project stages, which are what? Any construction project stages. Start from where and finish where? Any construction project. If even your project in your home country, assume you have your system. Stable? Stakeholder? Type. Design? Start from design ولا start from pre-design? Pre-design. I will start كده design. يلا let me have a bridge. ولا why we need the bridge? Fast track. لا, this is a type of schedule. Okay. Directly. طيب. Why we need حلو قوي. طيب. Don't forget. Any project start with pre-design. Why we need the project? What is the feasibility study? What's the economic engineering for this project? Okay? Why I need this project? يبقى now pre-design. In pre-design, there is some knowledge down. يبقى let us go. pre-design. Why I need what? The project. خلاص. وبعد كده what? Design. خلاص. I am happy with what? I am happy with the idea. I am happy with the dream. I am happy with the demand. I am happy with the need. You understand what I mean, guys? Need, demand, dream. Okay? Idea. خلاص, I am happy. Let me what? Design it. Correct or not? يبقى design. طيب, after design, يبقى design phase. Any construction project, guys, anywhere in this globe, anywhere in any country, start from pre-design, design, وبعدين pre-construction, وبعدين pre-construction. وبعدين construction. وبعدين بوست كونستراكشن. صح؟ وبعدين صباح الفل مستر انجينير ديزاينر ومستر اكسكيوتر ومستر سوبر. باي باي. هاف ا نايس ويك اند. صح ولا لا؟ بوست. يبقى بوست كونستراكشن. This any if even you need to make a table. What? لا. You are suffering. You are suffering. You are suffering. You have something. Wallahi, Osman, I feel you. I feel you, yes, because when you are working in a such organization like Ashghal or like Khatib al-Alami as a consultant or CEG or whatever, persons even, and suddenly كده you tell you what, thank you very much. We are, thank you. After مثلا 10 years or 15 years, you are working with it and we don't need you. It's hurt.
Kept us working and they don't pay us. That's it.
In Ashghal? Erga.
The second bits, they kept only new
Erga.
new, they just renew KEO contract.
Erga.
So all the engineers, we don't know Erga actually because we are hired by Ashghal. So that's the problem.
But it's hurt, but 100%. Yeah.
They said no, you are terminated.
Yes, I will leave you, but don't terminate me. I will leave you, but don't terminate me. This is the key. If I will go, I am happy, but don't terminate me. Especially if what you have a good relation, a history. This is hurt. This is hurt. But anyway, it's written, and you can build above it a lot. No issue. It's hurt for a particular time, but after that, you can find a lot of chances. لا. Let us see, guys. Where our exam here? Where is our exam here? Yes, absolutely. Yes, I will show you. Number one, project business need, business case, general. We have 2-3 questions from construction management here, which we are going to have it in our what? In our material, which we are going to have study it, which we are going to have the question of it all, which is already copy paste. Number 2, design. We'll discuss about material, concrete, steel, wood, structure analysis, soil mechanics foundation, traffic, roads, fluid. He will not give you to design foundation. The question is not like that. 2 minutes, 13 seconds. Don't forget. Our exam is 2 minutes, 13 seconds. Don't think too much. Don't think that I am going for BE, professional engineering exam, which is American exam, and it's almost around 10 hours exam, I believe. 10-hour exam, 5 hours in one day. So don't think about that. No, our exam is very simple and very easy. BE is 5 months, 5 months. Sorry, 5 hours, 5 hours. لا, preparation of it, you can take 2 years. 2 years study. After you finish your college, you will study for this exam, maybe 1 year or 2 years. But it's, يعني, yeah. طيب. Number 2, we have what? Marketing, bidding, and awarding contract and the process in Qatar here. We are going to have it in what? In construction management. Huh? This is part of construction management, okay? And here we have what? Here we have the core. If we have 9 to 11, 9 to, assume 10 average, يبقى 10 here, and including pre-design, pre-construction, construction, and post-construction. Construction 10, and we have 17 here. 17 in design. But it's not matter of design for foundation of steel structure section. No, it's coming in all knowledge which we already studied in our college, but very, very, very low level of knowledge. It's not that much as we study soil mechanics. Soil mechanics, you need 5 years to study soil mechanics. Okay, but we are going to take it in 3 hours or 6 hours. Now let us see the second part. We are going to have project management in construction phase, scope, scheduling, and cost, and the quality, and other management areas, and the contract type and the claims management. We have 2, we have almost around 6, and we have almost around 2. يبقى 10. General discussion about authority approval and service connections. This in our exam and our course outline and our exam outline. Tomorrow morning, inshallah, I am going to share our classes and the course outline and the schedule, what we are going to have and when we are going to have. And I'm going to share this PDF material, and I'm going to share the exercise which we needed Tuesday. I will mention hard copy, please. Okay? Let us see our exam questions now. Number 1, all of you have blank paper and pen, correct? Let us start what? Choose your option. And I will go through كده. يبقى عثمان راجع أحمد، صح؟ عثمان راجع أحمد. حلو. يلا. Start. أهو جاي أهو. See بقى يعني easy, and don't forget some problems and the questions you will solve in what? In 10 seconds. It's not 2 minutes. You don't need 2 minutes. You don't need to. Number 1. Solve. What's your name? Kobelia. Okay. What's your name? Al-Ansari. I met you where? Somewhere. That's okay.
This is first time.
First time? Okay. What's your name?
Nadeem.
Nadeem. Allah, Nadeem. What's your name, please? Ashghal? Asrar. Allahu Akbar. A lot of secret, yeah. What's your name? Yes. I remember you, James. What's your name? Marido. What's your name? Shimi? Shibin. You are from Sri Lanka? India? You are QS? Project engineer? Perfect. I will come to everyone what his work later. Yeah, answered. What's the answer? انت لسه بتفكر؟ لا يا ما. لا مفيش تريك خالص. There is no trick here. There is no tricks here, guys. What tricks? Nothing. It's our exam is straightforward. There is no tricks, No tricks. يبقى the answer is what? Agree. All of you should be B. Oh, yes. 1/1, huh? يبقى 1/1. يبقى now it's of course. اللي هي what? اللي هي what? اللي هي building permit. اللي هي DC1 in Qatar here. DC2. This is special cases and it could be government. Yeah, بلدية. But anyway, in all over the world, no one allowed to have a project to start without permit. This is, we are engineers. It's not يلا كده built. Okay. يبقى a lot of فلابين. يبقى the answer is B. Correct? Correct. Absolutely correct. يبقى all of you, I believe, all of you score 1/1. طيب حلوة. Number 2. يلا بقى. Number 2. I forgot to tell you another fact. What is the other fact? What is the other fact, guys? لا, it's not like that. There's a fact. Very cute. Some question كده, some. It's not all. Some بقى يا عثمان. It's not all. Have magic words, keywords. Have what? Keywords. Okay? يعني إيه? You will solve this questions or problem if you have what? If you understand the keyword. Some. It's not all. One of them, this ridiculous questions, which is FEDIC. It's not construction management. This is FEDIC. And as I told you now, there is two options near to each other. Correct? صح? And another two option is far away from our subject. Very. But طب حلو قوي. حلو. يبقى now you already حلو قوي. Perfect. يبقى now we have two options is not related. Let us have them out. Okay? Number 1, what is the type of bond guarantee? That's if contractor goes broke. يبقى now goes broke is what? Is keyword. Is keyword. صح ولا لا? What's the meaning? Broke means he don't have money, he don't have cash to what? To pay his what? Liabilities. يعني bankrupt. حلو. يعني we are not talking about performance. We are not talking about he have team or not. We are not talking about he have resources or not. We don't talk about he failed to execute the job or not. We are talking about money. Okay, صح ولا لا؟ طب حلو. طب حلو. خلينا بقى ايه؟ خلينا let us go for second part. Second part. Because there's two keywords here. The first one is goes broke. Perfect. وبعدين on a project. يعني we have a project running. طيب. The surety. What is the meaning surety? Surety is insurance company. It's not bank. Bank is not insurance. It's not surety. Bank is holding the money, holding for the project. In a bank, please, client, I will give you 10% advance bond. Give me what? Guarantee. Lower advance bond. وبعدين, if you don't need advance bond, but you have to give me performance bond for my project. In case you are not able to finish my project, I will take this 10% and I will take it for me. Correct? This is the purpose of what? Performance bond. Surety is insurance company. طيب حلو قوي. يبقى now number A ونمبر C. Let us see number A. Bid bond. We come to your exam this way. Bid. يعني could استنى بس. Could be what? Could be chair bond. or table bond. Did you hear this one?
James.
Or James Bond. Yes. You hear this one. I am always nothing bid. What's the meaning bid bond? There is no bid bond. البid اللي هي bidding BID. Yes, in bid, in our bid, we submit bid bond. Absolutely, I agree. But we are in bidding. No, we are not in bidding. We are not bidding. يبقى answer A is what? Wrong, wrong for everything. Okay? طيب. Acceptance bond. What do you mean acceptance bond? What type of project we are submit acceptance bond? We don't have this acceptance bonds in construction project. We have advance bond. We have performance bond. We have what? Payment bond. But when we are doing payment bond, if you have, yes, if we have multinational companies participate in a local project in Qatar, يعني American company, French company, Belgium company coming together to do rail work project. One of them broke. He have our government, Qatar government, have this insurance. It will take this money and they pay the liability. وبعدين come back here. What's your problem? What's your problem? If you are not able to cover your liability, tell us so we can. After that, if you fail again, one time again or two time again, there is a process to terminate him in the contract and get what? Get performance bond. يبقى now you cannot take his performance bond كده directly because he is not failed in the performance. No, no one tell you he's behind schedule. Nobody tell you he is already failed to provide enough resources. Nobody tell you that's quality product. The quality issues related to his product, correct? He told you goes broke. Means what? Payment bond. And these questions come to our website. We have argued between me and Ravi. How many years argue? 8 years argue now about this problem. I said payment bond, he said performance bond. And if you go for FIDIC, you will find the answer is payment bond. Take the answer is payment bond. Don't follow our website. Our website, it will give you what? Performance bond. Wrong. The answer is B. The answer is D. Payment bond. Yes. Don't James Bond, huh? Okay, guys. Tricky? Yes. Very tricky. But in our exam, some few, and I will give it to you. You are good. James, don't be scared. Yeah. Okay, time. Let us see number what? The answer is D. يبقى now 1/2 ولا some engineer 2/2? Some engineer 2/2. طيب حلو قوي. Number 3. Sand drains. It's a technique to improve soil properties. يعني you have soil, and this type of soil, cannot compact it. You cannot compact it. Okay? You cannot compact it. This is not backfill and compact. Sand drains. وبعدين to improve soil is depend about the type of soil you are going to improve it. يعني if I have sand, I can deal with the sand. صح ولا لا? And if we have clay or silty clay, it's not that much easy to deal with it. You have a lot of technique on it, correct? And costly. We have 2 techniques. One of them static and one of them dynamic. Dynamic backfill, sand, backfill, layer by layer, and backfill. طب consolidation اللي هي static goes for cohesiveness soil, which is what? Silt clay and clay, which is what? A lot of technique on it. One of them, sand range. Okay, let us see by the option now. I give you now hint. By your own now, you are going to choose the correct answer within this knowledge only. See, I'm not talking too much. You will get the answer. Yeah. Two option, not three option, not related to subject.
No, it's A.
This is not dynamic technique. I said this is not dynamic technique. This is static technique, consolidation technique. This is consolidation technique. I said dynamic, backfill. And this, it will not use for what? It will not use for dynamic. This is static. Accelerate the consolidation process, decreasing soil volume, settlement. Yes, we need to reach to, if even you are going to have piling system in silt clay or clay, you need what? You need to have this soil a consolidated. Consolidated is not compacted. There is a big difference between both. Consolidation technique is a static technique. One of them, we have surcharge with sand range and surcharging, loading, preloading. The soil after 1 year, it down. And this is need time. It's not 1 month, it's not 1 week, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. It depends about the type of the project you are going to have and economic as well calculation, money. We are talking about money, and especially if you have big project. But the answer is what? We will discuss about all this technique in soil mechanics, and you are going to be familiar about what? About all the types. The answer is D. طيب. Number 4. أيوة. Structure analysis. The nightmare of all civil engineers. We have a simple supported truss, and this simple supported truss, as shown in the figure, the load keeps, this is foot pound second units, imperial units, foot. You remember, guys, British units, foot. We have here standard unit, what? Kilogram, Newton, meter second. Newton, meter second in Qatar here. But in England, they have what? And a lot of countries as well, they have what? Foot, pound, second. Kips. He kips 1,000 pound. Every 1 kip equal 1,000 pound. Later on, inshallah, we will discuss about it in coming class. Time. We have a truss. The member, for member B and C, are most nearly. What is the forces? What is the forces for member B and C? If you have loading system and you have truss, beautiful truss like that, and you have 4 options. We don't need to study that much. The only level I'm going to give it to you. Yalla, James. What is the answer, James? I remember you, James. يا عثمان. حلو. احمد. ايه طيب. سي. حلو قوي. بايلاك دي. بايلاك دي. حلو قوي. انصار. بي. طيب ها هير. ماري. صح ماري. your name ماري. ماري لو. ماري لو. جيمس. بي. طيب I will tell you technique, very simple technique, huh? Very simple. We don't need what? We don't need too much drama or headache. Zero force member rules. Zero force member rules. Rules means what? Is applicable any truss. Rule. It's a rule. A zero force member rule. What's this rule telling you? Let us go for member A, ومember B, وmember C, وmember D. I have member D, وmember C, وmember B, وmember A. Okay? Any member of these members, they have upper joint and lower joint or not? صح؟ Sorry? لا, it's not like that. I mean, any member have joint up connected with upper joint and connected with lower joint. طيب. Let us see the rule number one. Rule what? Number one. And I will tell you later, inshallah, coming. Rule number one. If you have joint, have two what? Have four conditions. Joint have four conditions. What's the four condition? Number one, two member. يبقى now المember D have connection, upper connection. Are this connection have two members? يبقى this is my this is my connection. This is my joint. I am talking about it. يبقى you have joint, have two members. Okay. What's the second condition? That the angle between these two members is not 180. It's not. يبقى الانجل is 90. يبقى second condition applicable, applied. Correct or not? طيب. Third, there is no external force in the joint. Upper joint there is external force. The external force where? Lower joint. I am talking about upper joint. I am talking about upper joint. Any external force? No. طيب. Any support? يبقى no. يبقى المember D will member horizontal member 0. يبقى المember D will member horizontal member, this member, which already I am putting my finger here, is 0. يبقى now we get to know now without calculation. Did we calculate? حلو out. Rule number two. Rule not number two. You have joint. مالها? What is this joint? Condition one. 3 member. Any condition, any joint have 3 member. ادي one condition. طب let us see بقى. Member A ومember B ومember C. Member A have how many joint? Upper joint and the lower joint. Member B have upper joint, lower joint. Member C upper joint, lower joint. I am talking about joint have what? 3 member. يبقى in A lower joint. In B upper joint. In C lower joint. يبقى now 3 member. ادي first condition. First condition. 2 members in these 3 members, they are collinear. Yeah, they have in the same line. Yes. Are this member and this member 180 or not? This member and this member 180 or not? This member and this member 180 or not? Yes. يبقى second condition. طب third. No external force. طيب. Any external force in A down? No. طيب. In B upper joint. Any external force? No. طيب C zeros. يبقى it's not applied. يبقى forget about this joint. Because we said 3 member وبعدين 2 collinear, no external force. This have external force. يبقى out. Go out. طيب. What is the last condition? No support. Any support here? No. Any support here? يبقى this member is 0, A is 0, and B is 0 without calculation. طب this member? No, there is external force. If I cut a joint C and said sigma y is equal 0, C have 100. صح؟ مش هيhave vertical كده؟ مش هيhave vertical؟ صح ولا لا؟ cut sigma y is equal 0. Yes. يبقى ال A is C is 100 will B is 0 will A is 0 will D is 0 without calculation. صح ولا لا؟ تاني الانسر is 0 100 البي is 0. طيب الممبر بي how many joint we have؟ هات لي كده القلم ده. I have lower joint. How many members in lower joint؟ this joint. ايه ده؟ If we have board I will explain to you very well. This joint صح؟ joint. How many members in this joint؟ Oh, come on. This is joint now. How many members now؟
3.
1 2 3. نفس القصة هنا. There is joint. And here is joint. But because we forgot بقى. Because we study and we forgot. But actually we should have small circular, small. We connected with what? And I will teach you, inshallah, I will tell you how we are using this joint in physical, in actual, what it looks like with the splites and guest plates and all. Don't worry. Now, this joint have 3 members. This joint have 3 members. This joint have 3 members. This our joint have 3 members. طيب. First condition 3. صح ولا لا؟ 2 of these members, this member and this member 180 or not؟ يعني على line 1 180 correct؟ يبقى second condition apply correct؟ طيب any external force here؟ any external force upper joint؟ any external force in joint C, in member C؟ yes there is 100. يبقى this member out. Let us come back to member A و member B. 3 condition now apply or not؟ اللي هي 3 member 2 collinear no external force. Okay? Any support here؟ إذا support here and here only. صح ولا لا؟ support. So any support؟ no. يبقى 4 option. يبقى this member is what؟ 0 without calculation. A is 0 will B is 0. مش صح؟ انت جوين تحت كم ممبر؟ 1 2 3 4 5. This is not my joint. My joint is upper joint. My joint is upper joint. About joint have 3 members. الB connected with 2 joint. Upper joint, lower joint. Lower joint 5. This is not my joint. I'm talking about joint. وبعدين later on we'll get the 0 force member in the joint. Agreed؟ يبقى now A will be is what؟ حلو. انما C بس خلاص. Thank you very much. يبقى now C we don't need what? We don't need too much. Very simple. And by the way, you will find a lot of type of problems coming in this one. And know the rules. And know the rules. You will going to have, I am going to share with you one question now related to this area, and let us see how you are going to answer the question now. Okay, it's coming in our exam. I will share it on our WhatsApp now. Okay, خلاص. Open all your WhatsApp. Really? بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. دقيقة واحدة بس. I will take just 1 minute. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Your exam is very easy. Okay, go ahead. You take permission, James. Here we go. Here we go. يلا. نعم. الكورس لا احنا هنمشي دلوقتي 9، هنمشي كمان ربع ساعة 10 دقايق، هنمشي مش هناخد كتير. الحصة اللي جاية هتبقى 3 ساعات بس علشان حصة بقى. Let us read. Oh, come on. Let us share this one together and بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Here we go. Now we have. يلا. Yeah. I did a very big mistake. I got the answer. يا أخي والله I got. Yeah, I give the answer. But anyway, let us see it and let us see. Let's see the type of our exam questions coming in the same area. In the same area. Telling you what, a portion of a bin connected truss is shown during bin يعني what? Connected with joint. Bin يعني connected with joint. Shown during an earthquake. البن E experience to a vertical load downward and upward. A joint E, how many members? 1 2 3 4 5. حلو قوي. الممبر EF have two joint or not? EF الممبر EF how many joint? Upper joint and the lower joint. حلو قوي. Our lower joint have 3 members. 2 of them collinear. No external force. Yes, because the external force were in the upper joint. وبعدين there is no support. يبقى المember, this member is what? Whatever the force up and down, this force is 0. See? Did we need to? How many minutes? I told you from a while ago, our exam is 2 minutes 15 seconds. أيوة, and he don't give me any values. Even he don't give me any values. You understand? He give me option. See, option. Tell me what? Alternate. Anyone, because the upper joint have upward and downward force. Sure, 100% this member have tension and compression, which is wrong. See, I am just would like to share with you, yes, why? To let you know that our exam is very simple enough to deal with it, and it's coming in the same area. Okay? Could be based. Could be 2 of them come to your exam like that. Okay? Which I told you 3 to 5. And if you have 4, easy like that, and you have 10 from construction management, you have 14 already. Okay? We'll come back to this later. Let us go to finish the answer is B. Let us go for number 5, and we'll go after number 5. Hello. Who's planning engineer here? James? Mr. Osman?
I wish to be. Very bad.
Eh?
Lead engineer.
Lead. Then you are in Zaman. I like you. Who's planning engineer? No planning engineer?
This is the correct answer.
Let us see. A CBM, a formal CBM. What does CBM stand for? Critical Path Methods. It's a type of schedule type. All our constructions scheduling is based on critical path methods, which we are going to study it in our what? In our construction management, huh? Okay? طيب, we have analysis for a project shows the planned cost. Planned cost for what? يعني you have cut off date, a particular بقى weekly, monthly, whatever, bi-weekly, whatever. You cut كده and you need to have what? Update. And you need to have your progress status report. Okay? خلاص؟ طيب. A formal CBM analysis يعني already have a particular cut-off date and you need to have analysis. Analysis of what? Analysis of your project. And without this analysis, you cannot control. Correct or not? طيب. I will give you example. Any project should be have what? Should be having monitoring tools or not? Any project should be have what? Dashboard. This dashboard is what? Like your car. How many dashboard? How many gauge in your dashboard in your car? More than 3. One of them is the speed. صح؟ وبعدين second one is the fuel tank. صح ولا لا؟ وبعدين is always empty. استنى بس. ايوه RPM. طيب assume بقى we are talking about what? About fuel tanks and you are talking about speed. This is, yes, the time. حلو قوي. لا, forget about ايه? Forget about, we are talking about two now. Fuel and what? And speed. You are driving your car now, صح؟ اهو. Correct? طيب, you have already some trouble happen in what? In both gauges. In both gauges. Means what? The fuel tank is stuck in the mid of the fuel tank and not moving. And you are happy. Why? Because you said the fuel tank is, my car is not consume petrol and gasoline. I am so much happy. Salam, my car is perfect. But unfortunately, you are driving in Salwa Road, and in the middle of the road, kida, you found your car what? Stop. Absolutely. Anhar Eswed. Yeah, black night. Assume, sir, what you are going to feel? Disaster. The same we have in our project. We call it what? We call it cost performance indicator. Cost performance indicator or cost performance index. What we call it KPIs. Key performance index. Any objective, you cannot measure it by a KPI, it's not objective. By any objective you have, when I told you how you are going to monitor and to control your objective, you have to establish your exam KPI by your own. I will teach you later. But now we have cost performance index. If we have cost performance index, we have a schedule performance index in our project. Your speed, the speed does not work. And you are driving in a Shamal road and you have progress meeting. Your speed, you don't know, 100 ولا 200 ولا 300. We're driving. After that, you can check your violation, found 10,000 Qatar Riyal. What you're feeling? What is the importance of this speed and fuel? I will tell you. If you are driving in a Shamal and you already drive and 180, you know this 180, but there is camera after 300 meters coming. What you are going to do? You are going to control. See, you are monitoring, then you are taking action. Without these KPIs, you cannot control. What is the importance of KPIs is give you the action taken to control. If you have your fuel already empty, what is the action you will take? You will go to the petrol station, fill. Correct or not? To control. Wala la. The same in our what? The same in our projects. A schedule performance indicator, we have very important equation. We call it what? Earned value, EV divided planned value. A schedule SPI equal what? equal EV اللي هي earned value where بقى where let us see. يبقى now analysis for a project shows the planned cost يبقى planned value equal 85 يبقى $85,000 is a planned value for a particular period. I need to achieve it in 1 month or cut-off date. Up to cut-off date, my planned value is $85,000. But what about your achievement? Your achievement is 70 here for work value. You already achieved, اللي هي call it earned value 70. يبقى 70 divided time. We are talking about time. 70 divided 85 is less than 1. If equal 1, I am happy. Why? As planned. طب more than 1, I am more than happy. I am flying. But less than 1, I am crying. يبقى what we call it بقى؟ لا إما ahead, لا إما as schedule, لا إما behind. يبقى لا إما more than 1 ahead. Equal 1 as scheduled. Less than 1 behind. يبقى now behind. طب we have behind. يبقى الانسر لا اما سي لا اما دي. It's not A, it's not B. That's why I told you two options. I told you two options is what? Not related. If you have minimum level of construction management and how to monitor and control, then you will answer this question easily without what? Without any issues. Type about cost performance index, CBI. Earned value divided actual cost. Where is actual cost here? Accounts and accounts report charges are 85. يبقى 70 divided 85 less than 1. What does it mean? Assume 0.8. Assume 0.8 means what? Every 1 Qatar riyal or $1. $1 I am paying in the project, I get in the front of it 80 cents. I am losing. يبقى over budget. See, very simple. يبقى now behind the schedule and over budget, this is us. I wish all of you enjoyed the class today. And inshallah, tomorrow I am going to have all about our course, about schedule, about material, about everything. Hard copy, please, guys. Hard copy, please. And Tuesday, 7 o'clock. We'll meet, inshallah, Tuesday in structure analysis. Very important class. We will solve a lot of questions come to our exam. Okay? Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you, guys. I enjoyed the class with all of you. And inshallah, we'll meet Tuesday. Thank you. Take your answer. Finish. Nobody here, only you. Only you.